What's up, everybody? So I constantly get asked, what's in my camera bag? If you're new here, my name is Amauris Hernandez. Please take a moment to subscribe, turn on the post bell notification bell button, and let's get this video started. So I'm constantly getting asked, bro, what's in your camera bag whenever you got portrait work? I'm gonna go over that. So I bought this bag from Amazon. I don't remember the name of it. It's like 2 years old. It's lasting me, but you can see some of the damages. Let me go over real quick the outside. So it has a front pocket where I keep my batteries, the charger. This one, you've probably seen by now, the Aperture M9 light. Comes in handy whenever I need it to be. Perfect for low light stuff when I'm working indoors, and it's for portrait work and I don't want to use flash. It's pretty good, cannot complain. In the front there's a laptop bag. There's a laptop slot or iPad or tablet, whichever you use, with a pocket for pens, the stylus pens, pencil. In the side pockets, you got a bottle holder, or yeah, this is the bottle holder. Or if you want to hold a lens in there, I don't recommend it, but you can do that. Then on the other side, which would be my left side, there is a pocket right under the backpack where you can put a monopod to the side. Boom, good for hiking, or a small traveling tripod, which is perfect. And or if you don't want to use that, you have another pocket for water. So you have 2 waters and you're hiking, even better. All right, the main part. Before I open, one of the cameras that I use that I'm recording from right now is the A7 III and the Cinema 16 DC for crop frame cameras. I'll go into detail with that right now. All right, so it has an inner pocket, which I use. What is it called? Air squisher. There you go. I got it. You know what I mean. We got that. SD card holder. Comes in handy, especially for weddings when I need it. Second shooters. Very helpful. Let's see what else I have here. Oh, and a pen. By having this case there. I always open my camera bag, so it's right there. All the gears links are in the description below, so if any question you have, concerns you may have about the item, just click on it and there's more information on there. A Canon 135. Now you may be asking yourself, why do you still have this lens if you're on Sony and you can go native? Well, money's tight and this gets the job for me for portraits. For video I shoot in manual, so that's not a problem for me. I make it work with what I have right now, as money is tight, so it helps. So yeah, the 2.0, the compression of this for portraits, just so good. All right, next lens. Recent purchase, the Tamron Zoom 28 to 75 2.8 lens. I highly recommend this lens if you're on a budget and you cannot get the 24 to 70 G Master 2.8 lens, but you still want a zoom lens. I highly recommend this. After the firmware update, this lens has been working perfectly on the portrait side of things and for video. This is my go-to when I'm just traveling with my family. If I'm bringing my camera, taking my family with me, this lens, A7 III, good to go. Now, one of my other favorite portrait lenses, Sony 85. I had a Canon 85 1.8 when I switched to Sony, but I needed something that could work better, especially on the video side of things. And actually, for me, this lens is way better. Build quality wise, is better than the Canon 1.8, but it's Canon 1.8. And the image quality is pretty good. Obviously, the 1.4 can give you better image quality, but this is just as good. Just quality of the lens is not as tough as the 1.4 G Master. Let's continue. Now, my favorite portrait lens, and it's a 35. Yes, I know it's not considered portrait, but nowadays it is. At least for me it is. When I bought it from Canon, this is my longest lens that I've owned. It was the MC11 Sigma adapter. Yeah, this lens has covered 90% or even 100% of my gigs whenever I needed to, and it does the job for me. The eye autofocus on this is perfectly, especially with the update for the adapter. Real quick, the eye autofocus for this lens works great as well. Like about, it's at 80% of the time for the eye autofocus, just for the eye, when it's trying to focus on the eye. But you'll get the face 95% of the time, and 5% of the time it'll hunt. And it's rare when it hunts. If it's hunt, it's either because dark, low light situation. That's when it'll mainly go hunt. I recommend you get the E-mount version if you're on Sony already and you want a 35 lens. Yeah, this one or the Rokinon. I heard good things about a Rokinon, but from my experience with this lens, I just love it. I will get this E-mount version soon. All right, now my B camera, the A6500. I don't use this for still as much, mainly for video, but I have it with me just in case I need it. Just in case something fails, you never know. Technology is made by humans, and humans make mistakes. All right, so yeah, my peak design strap. This I always have it with me because now I'm being more spontaneous, I guess that's the word. And whenever I have video and going handheld for everything, we use a Sigma 30 1.4 whenever I decide to use this for video. If not, I just use the Tamron 28-75 for video and go with that. I got the mag mount system, the spear, with the grid, the magnet. I use an AD200 whenever I travel and don't want to carry a softbox that I'm using right now. Yeah, it comes in handy whenever I need it and gets the job done. I'll carry it with a monopod or some very light, cheap light stand if I need it. And I think last but not least, the trigger. Now, some of you, as for those that do watch my video, I hope you do. I use the R2 trigger because of the hot shoe. When I put my GoPro for the first person point of view, I could just flip it. Oh, GoPro. Right here, you see the GoPro. This is the GoPro 5. I know the audio is not the best, but it gets the job done for me. So I just play that. Right there on landscape. As you can see, the record button is right on top. Pum, pum, pum. I'm in landscape, you know, with the camera. Now I want to go to portrait. Boom. All right. What I do is just open the casing for it. Take it out. Flip the camera so it can still maintain in landscape view. Close it and continue what I'm doing. That's my go-to gear when it comes to portrait work. Now when it comes to video, that's another video. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up, like, comment. Well, like is the same thing as big thumbs up, but just like it, unlike it, and like it again. Comment any questions you may have concerning the gear that I showed you, displayed. And if you have any concerns, reach out to me via Instagram or just comment your question below. I'm glad to help and reply as quick as possible. And yeah, I think that's covers everything. Just want to make sure I don't forget anything. Thank you for enjoying the video. Peace.